When you think of pineapple, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Maybe it's that controversial topping on pizza, or perhaps a refreshing tropical drink by the beach. But did you know that pineapple is so much more than just a tasty addition to your favorite foods? Today, we're diving deep into the world of tropical fruits, uncovering health hacks and surprising benefits you probably never knew existed. So, let's kick things off with a fruit that's often called the king of fruits, the mango. Mangoes aren't just delicious, they're nutritional powerhouses. These golden beauties are absolutely packed with vitamin C, a nutrient that's essential for keeping your immune system in top shape. In fact, just 1 cup of sliced mango provides about 70% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's more than most multivitamins. But the benefits don't stop there. Mangoes are also rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for healthy skin and good vision. Plus, they contain fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy and stay healthy, adding mangoes to your diet is a smart move. And here's a fun fact. The antioxidants in mangoes can help protect your body from harmful free radicals, which are linked to aging and chronic diseases. So, the next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a mango instead of a candy bar. You'll be doing your body a huge favor. Moving on to our next tropical superstar, papaya. This fruit might not get as much attention as mangoes or pineapples, but it's a true hidden gem when it comes to health benefits. Papaya is naturally sweet and incredibly juicy, making it a perfect snack on a hot day. But what really sets papaya apart is its unique enzyme called papain. Papain is a powerful digestive enzyme that helps your gut break down proteins and other tough-to-digest foods. This means that eating papaya can help you feel lighter, less bloated, and more comfortable after meals. If you've ever struggled with indigestion or an upset stomach, try adding some fresh papaya to your diet. It's also loaded with vitamin C and vitamin A, both of which support your immune system and keep your skin glowing. And don't toss those black seeds. They're edible and packed with nutrients too. Some people even use papaya seeds as a natural remedy for parasites and digestive issues. So whether you enjoy it in a fruit salad, a smoothie, or just on its own, papaya is a tropical treat that your body will thank you for. And here's another tip. Papaya is incredibly versatile. You can add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or even use it as a tenderizer for meats, thanks to its natural enzymes. In many cultures, papaya is a staple ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. So don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Your taste buds and your digestive system will both benefit. Now, let's talk about a fruit that's probably sitting on your kitchen counter right now, the humble banana. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and for good reason. They're affordable, portable, and incredibly easy to eat. Just peel and go. But did you know that bananas are also packed with nutrients that can boost your mood and keep you feeling your best? Bananas are a fantastic source of vitamin B6, a nutrient that plays a key role in producing serotonin, the feel-good chemical in your brain. This means that eating bananas can actually help lift your mood and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. If you're having a tough day, try reaching for a banana instead of a sugary snack. You might be surprised at how much better you feel. Bananas are also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your heart healthy. Plus, the natural sugars in bananas provide a quick energy boost, making them the perfect pre- or post-workout snack. And let's not forget about the fiber. Bananas are great for digestion and can help keep you regular. So, whether you enjoy them on their own, sliced over cereal, or blended into a smoothie, bananas are a simple and delicious way to support your overall health. That's right. Bananas can literally peel away your stress. And here's a fun tip. If you have trouble sleeping, try eating a banana before bed. The magnesium and tryptophan in bananas can help relax your muscles and promote better sleep. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or tired, remember that a banana might be just what you need to feel better. Now, let's move on to a fruit that looks like it's from another planet. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is one of the most visually stunning fruits you'll ever see. With its bright pink skin and speckled flesh, it's almost too pretty to eat. But don't let its wild appearance fool you. Dragon fruit is secretly packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your cells from damage and slow down the aging process. Eating dragon fruit regularly can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant, and may even reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Dragon fruit is also a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and magnesium, making it a great choice for overall health. And because it's low in calories and high in water content, it's a perfect snack if you're trying to stay hydrated and maintain a healthy weight. So the next time you see dragon fruit at the store, don't be intimidated. Give it a try. You might just discover your new favorite fruit. And finally, let's circle back to where we started. Pineapple. Pineapple isn't just a delicious treat, it's a powerful ally for your health. One of the key compounds in pineapple is bromelain, an enzyme that helps your body recover after intense workouts or physical activity. Bromelain has natural anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce muscle soreness, speed up healing, and keep you feeling strong and energized. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, all of which support your immune system and help your body fight off illness. And if you're looking for a way to satisfy your sweet tooth without reaching for processed sugar, fresh pineapple is a fantastic option. Its natural sweetness and juicy texture make it a favorite in fruit salads, smoothies, and even savory dishes like grilled chicken or fish. So, whether you're an athlete, a busy parent, or just someone who loves good food, pineapple deserves a spot in your regular rotation. And here's a pro tip. Try mixing different tropical fruits together for a nutrient-packed snack that's as beautiful as it is delicious. A fruit salad with mango, papaya, banana, dragon fruit, and pineapple is not only bursting with flavor, but also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a great way to introduce variety into your diet and make healthy eating fun for the whole family. Plus, sharing tropical fruits with friends and loved ones can turn any meal into a celebration of health and happiness. So, the next time you're looking for a snack, remember, these tropical treats do way more than just taste amazing. They're packed with nutrients, support your immune system, boost your mood, aid digestion, and help you recover after exercise. By adding more tropical fruits to your diet, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. So go ahead, explore the colorful world of tropical fruits, and discover new ways to stay healthy, energized, and happy every day. Stay fruity, stay healthy, and don't forget to share these health hacks with your friends and family, because everyone deserves a little taste of the tropics in their life.